So, a few things that we looked at too, and how you can look at this, a few ways to keep the earnings per sale high and, consider kind of where you're at, is you can position your product as premium and charge more for the main product. So that, as I mentioned, right, if you have this high ticket product, so the single sales numbers are worthwhile. Your offer has to be a lot stronger unless it's like just what you're offering in itself. The product is so great, people can't resist it. But if it's a coaching program, you're probably going to have to come up with a really great hook and position it really well for that. So make sure you have that all set up for yourself, and also consider the audience you're promoting to. For us, our eKit Hub customers, we do not sell them very high ticket products. So, decent price products, but not high tickets. So that probably wasn't the best choice for Yusuf right out of the gate with his first solo information product. So you could also have a low cost front end product offer that's super hard to resist. And then you make up for it in volume. You get all this stuff for $10 or something. And then you boost the earnings per sale by adding other products to the funnel. That works very well because if the price is so great that people can't say no, as long as you have that good funnel in place. It's probably something you do if you're not worried about the earnings per sale and you just want to get a big list of customers, you're not driving a lot of affiliate traffic, that is a good strategy in itself. But I think I lost kind of my thought when I say, oh yeah. So then in this case, we decided not to do this because that would be, we'd have to create a bigger funnel, and first time didn't want to go and do all that stuff when you might not know where your customers will end up if they're going to be buying these things, because it's a new audience learning what they want. We can build on that later. You could also keep it to a simple funnel by have a median cost product. So not too expensive, but still position it as premium, right? You want to make them feel like they're getting a really great deal, and they should be getting. It should be. It's not just a feeling. And a hard to resist low cost bump offer, right? So then that bumps up the price, maybe one upsell, which is exactly what we're going for. The low cost bump offer is not too expensive to make. We have a team also that we do checklist worksheets, all that stuff all day long. So it was easy to get our team to go through Yusuf's training materials and put that together for him. And it's such a valuable thing to the customers that it'll be a no-brainer to add onto their order.